Hi guys, this is Amr from Certified Power. Today I'll be showing you how to trim the Prewet function on a Freedom 2. We recommend using at least 2 people for this job. We recommend using the appropriate personal protective equipment. That includes, but is not limited to, eye protection, gloves, and steel-toed footwear. It is also optional to have an empty bucket at your disposal in order to collect the liquid coming out of the Prewet nozzle. It is not required to load the truck with material. However, loading the truck to capacity before this process will result in a more accurate trim. Make sure your truck engine is operating at 1200 to 1400 RPM. We want to make sure we have enough hydraulic flow to run our functions. Fill the Prewet tanks with liquid. If using water to calibrate the Prewet, keep in mind that it may freeze and cause damage to all system components. Be sure to flush the system with windshield washer fluid after the calibration. To turn on your Freedom 2, press the lane knob. To trim our Prewet function, we need to give the device technician access. Hold the Mode/Menu button for about 2 seconds. This will take you to the main menu. Tap on User Level. Select Technician from the drop-down menu. Refer to your supervisor for your technician level password. My device is at factory default, so the password has not been set up yet. After you have inputted the password, tap OK. Select Liquid Setup. Next, select Calibration. Tap on Valve Setup. First, we want to trim our maximum Prewet output, so select Max Trim Cal. We recommend rerouting your Prewet nozzles into an empty bucket. This will make the cleanup process a lot easier. For the Prewet maximum trim, do not rely only on the pulses per minute count. We specifically do not want to trim our Prewet at maximum pulses per minute count. You want to focus more on visually observing the spray nozzle. Set your Prewet max trim at the safe operating limit of the Prewet motor and pump combination. You will observe that increasing your output does not increase the flow spraying out of the nozzle, regardless of an increase in pulses per minute count. Tap on Start. Increase your feeder output to a set value for a more accurate trim. Material will begin falling. Set your Prewet max trim at the point where you can visually observe the most flow coming out of the spray nozzle. Hearing strange sounds coming out of the Prewet power module means that you have set your maximum trim at a dangerous level for your pump and motor combination. Hit Save. Now to set our minimum trim, tap on Min Trim Cal. For your minimum trim, we want to observe the lowest possible consistent flow out of the nozzle. Hit Start. For a more accurate trim, increase your feeder output to a set value. Set your Prewet minimum trim at the point where you can visually observe the least flow coming out of the nozzle consistently. If you are using a flow sensor, you will also observe a constant pulse per minute value over 0. hit save. Your Prewet has now been successfully trimmed. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call on the number provided on the screen, or visit our website at www.certifiedpowersolutions.com.